Hello, friends. If you're feeling exhausted, stiff, or mentally drained at your desk, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a powerful 5-minute office desk workout to target areas affected by prolonged sitting. Get ready to feel better instantly. We'll begin with the seated leg raise. Sit up straight, lift one leg slowly until parallel to the ground, hold, then lower. Aim for 10 reps per leg. Feel that burn? That's your body waking up. Next, desk push-ups. Stand behind your desk, place hands on the edge, and step back. Slowly lower your chest toward the desk, then push back up. Aim for 10 to 12 controlled reps. You're doing amazing. Now, the seated torso twist. Sit upright, feet flat, hands behind your head. Slowly twist your torso to the right, pause, then to the left. Repeat 10 times each side. Feel that stretch through your sides? That's your body thanking you for moving. Next up are shoulder shrugs and neck stretches. Lift your shoulders toward your ears, hold and release. Then tilt your head to each side. That feels so much better, right? Finally, the seated march. Lift one knee at a time as if marching, gently swinging your arms. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. Almost there. Feel that energy rising? You're doing great. And that's it. Just 5 minutes and you've completed a full-body office desk workout. Remember, consistent, small movements create big, life-changing results. Stay active, stay healthy, and enjoy every step toward a stronger, more energetic you.